Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to the world of speed and agility with our DIY indoor racing drone, designed for high-speed indoor flying and live-action footage. Over the year, drones have advanced significantly, and racing drones are one kind that has become very popular. These drones are compact, quick, and made to go quickly within indoor structures. This drone is not merely for fun. It can be used for many other things. It can be used in racing events with challenging obstacle courses. It is perfect for capturing dynamic nature shots or action scenes. The drone features 4 high-torque brushless motors with propellers, and they are controlled by a controller board and power distribution board. For added versatility, an action camera attachment with vertical angle adjustment and horizontal positioning is included. Let's watch this drone in action now. Watch as it maneuvers through this space with speed and precision. For this project, we have created a racing drone that can fly quickly and has an action camera mounted on it. It is designed to transmit live content smoothly while preserving excellent performance. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such projects. Press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our uploads. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.